Here are some ideas related to handbags. Handbags trends, or explore the latest trend in handbags, colors, style and material, and see how you can incorporate them into your wardrobe. Handbag gift ideas. If you're looking for a gift, consider gifting a stylish handbag to a loved one. You can also explore personalized or handmade option, and beautiful latest handbag storage solution. Find creative storage solution for your handbags, and especially if you have limited space, and learn how to pair different handbag style with outfits to create stylish looks and beautiful variety. And free feel to ask for more information or details on any of these ideas for comment section. Mention me comment section for your personal discuss. So I hope you like it. Guys, please keep sharing and watching my video and see this video till the end, and mention me comment section for your feedback and response. Take care.